So here's where we're at. I've cut the chassis, I've banged this piece on, I've welded these angle iron pieces onto the chassis down there to give me a marker for where the spring hangers should land. This one here is about 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters out in either direction. This side needs to go up about 5 mil and back about 10 mil. So let's have a look at what's causing that. So up here, all I've done is just cut the chassis across square and knocked these on with a mallet. So nothing's been trimmed or anything yet. This one seems to be sort of landing okay. This one doesn't. So there's that bracket coming down from the battery holder. That looks like that's forcing that piece there to go this way. And then there's a gap here, and then that is sticking out. So let's address that. Okay, so after a bit of fiddling, that's that bolt is through in there. That one's through in there, so therefore that front part of the chassis should be back in the same position as the one that came off. Next thing I've got to do is clean up the old parts of the chassis, get to clean metal there. Just going to put some marks on here to give me an idea of where I need to go with the cleanup. Okay, that's all in, it's fitting quite snugly now. So I'll clean the black paint off the new one and maybe drill some holes for some plug welds, just for a bit of extra. And there we are, ready for welding. Right, that's welded both sides. I've done down the sides and I've done across the top, but I can't get to underneath. But it's strong enough, so I think what I'll do now is try and attach the springs and then I can lift it up. Houston, we have a problem. The hole in the leaf spring is about here. We need to get to there. Now I've tried banging the shackles to knock it forwards and it won't budge, it's not doing it at all. So I think what I have got to do here now is either try and get a ratchet strap round here and the axle and try and winch it forwards, or undo the shackles at the back, connect the front up, and then go back and reconnect the shackles, which is easier because you've got the play in the shackles there. Last. So that's that then. I can't think of anything else in this process that would actually be of any use to anyone. It's on, it's solid, that just wants grinding and tidying up. These are back in the same place they came out. I've got it up in the air now so I can finish off, weld up these bits. And with that little part there, I'll probably weld a little triangular plate onto that and forward here just as a bit of extra. And apart from that, it just wants putting back together again. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.